In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your credit score on Chime. Managing your credit score is crucial for maintaining financial health, and Chime makes it easy for you to keep track of it right from their app. Whether you're looking to verify your credit status for an upcoming loan or simply want to keep an eye on any fluctuations, Chime provides a straightforward way to check your credit score. To get started, you'll first need to open the Chime app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the settings icon, which often resembles a gear. Tapping on this icon will take you to the app's settings menu, where you can manage various features related to your account. Now, in the settings menu, you'll want to find and select the option that says Credit Tracking. This section is dedicated to helping you monitor your credit score and related information, making it a valuable tool for anyone who wants to stay informed about their credit status. Once you've clicked on Credit Tracking, you'll be able to see your current credit score. This feature provides you with a clear view of where you stand financially in terms of credit. It's not just about the numbers, though. Chime also offers other credit-related details that can help you understand the factors affecting your score, such as payment history and credit utilization. Additionally, Chime gives you the ability to track how your credit score has changed over time. This is particularly useful if you're working on improving your credit, as you can see any recent increases or decreases. By monitoring these changes, you can gain insights into the effectiveness of your financial habits and strategies. And that's it. With just a few taps on your Chime app, you can easily check your credit score and stay informed about your credit health. Keeping regular tabs on your credit score can help you make informed financial decisions and potentially improve your financial well-being over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.